John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, video of the day. Today we have Tesla triggering a hammer right here. Let me zoom in a little bit more here. You can see Tesla triggering that hammer right here, going above this bar's high. That would be above 402.52. We moved higher above that today, and we're staying above this trend line right here. This trend line is defined by this pivot high actually here, but I'm using this one because I don't want to cut out the top of that one, and that's through this pivot high. So we are right now above that. It'll be interesting to see where we close. Right now we're above the 50 EMA and also above the 8 EMA and above the 100 SMA and above the 200 EMA, all within that same bar, all within the green body right now. Anyways, we're watching to see if we can push higher. We've already gone up to a high today of 414.75. Looking to get up to this high, which is our next pivot high at 416 even. And if we can get through there and close above that in the next day or two, then we could be looking to see if we can get up to our next resistance. So tomorrow, that next resistance will be this trend line around the 430.10 area or so. And you've also got a resistance above here. That'll be our next one. That would be at 433.60. Keep on going up the line up to 445.60 and ultimately up to this high of 453.40. So we're looking for Tesla, which is really making a potential trend reversal breakout if we can get above this 416 for a possible follow-up higher. Momentum looks good. The change in direction here looks good with a higher low and eventually a higher high here. And we'll see where this takes us. If you like this kind of analysis, learn how to join us in the comments below.